Hello students, welcome to Easy Chemistry. All of you must have seen a candle. Now, this wax of the candle is made of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons. That is, they are made of hydrogen and carbon, as the name suggests. Here we are talking about open chain compounds. Open chain compounds. What does open chain compound means? Means the carbon compounds that have both the ends open. That is, they are not in a cyclic structure, like say like this. Not, these are closed chain, so we are not talking about these ones. We are talking about these compounds which are open chain compounds. When we are talking about hydrocarbons, we need to know several naming structures. Here we will talk about classification. Before that, we need to know several rules of naming. Let us go back to that portion of our board where we will talk about naming. Now students, here are few things which you have to learn by heart. When we have one carbon, we call it, start the naming with meth, M-E-T-H, meth. When there are two carbons, we start with eth. When there are three carbons, we start with prop. So, this column is number of carbon atoms, whereas this column is the prefix, that is starting of our name. We also call them the root words or prefix. So 3 prop, 4 carbon bute, we'll start with bute, 5 carbon pent, 6 carbon hex, 7 carbon heft, 8 carbon oct, and so on. These names you have to learn by heart, and slowly as we go along with organic chemistry, we will learn more about it. We will slowly remember them very easily. Okay? Coming back to our hydrocarbons, what we can see, hydrocarbons can be classified into two main groups. One is saturated and the other is called unsaturated. What is the difference between these two, the saturated and the unsaturated? When we have carbon, single bond carbon compounds, all are in single bonds, then these hydrocarbons are called saturated. That is, all other are hydrogen here. Whereas in unsaturated, we can have carbon double bond carbon, or we can have carbon triple bond carbon compounds. Why they are called unsaturated? Because this double bond can open up and there could be linkage of other compounds. Then it becomes a saturated compound, other element, sorry. When there could be linkage of other element and then it becomes a saturated compound. Similar way, for triple bond, these two can open up and there could be addition of hydrogen or could be addition of bromine and other things, and it becomes a saturated. Here with triple bond, we call them unsaturated compound. talking about saturated and unsaturated compound, let us know some names, nomenclatures or rules also, basic ones. This is just the beginning of nomenclature. We will go into further details step by step. What did we talk about? We talked about carbon single bond carbon, carbon double bond carbon, carbon triple bond carbon. Carbon single bond carbon, what was it? It was saturated compound. And carbon double bond carbon, what was it? It was unsaturated compound. And carbon triple bond compound, it was also unsaturated compound. Carbon single bond carbons, we call them alkanes, A-N-E, alkanes. Whereas double bond, we call them alkene, E-N-E. Remember this one A-N-E, E-N-E. And for this triple bond, we call them alkyne, Y-N-E. A-N-E, E-N-E, Y-N-E. What is the general formula? CnH2n plus 2. This is CnH2n, whereas this is CnH2n minus 2. What does that mean? When C equal to 1, we will have C1 H 2 into 1 2 plus 2 H4. For 1 we are not writing the number 1, CH4. For C1 there couldn't be any double bond or triple bond because we need at least 2 carbon to have a double or a triple bond. So for C2 we have C2H, 2 2s are 4 plus 2 H6. This one C2H4. This one C2H4 minus 2, 2. How could be this? What could be the structure? Okay, let us do the naming first. For this one CH4, what could be the name? We have meth as a starting for C1. So it will start with meth. And what will be the end of this one? It will end with N. For single bond, we will have N. So methane. Methane. Now, for these ones, what would be the structures? Like C, single bond C, H6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the structure. What would be the name of this one? It will start with eth. So, eth and end with single bond. So, end with N. Ethane. Now, next one. What will be the structure for this one? C, double bond C, H4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4H and 1 double bond. What would be the name of this one? When we have 2 carbons, it will again start with what? Eth. E-T-H, eth. But what will it end with? It will end with ene. E-N-E, ethene. Ethene. And what would be for this one structure? Let me draw it with other color. C, triple bond C, 1H and 2H. C2H2. And what would be the name again? 2 carbons. So again eth. And what would be the ending? Ethine. Y-N-E, ine. Ethine. Understood, students? You can take a screenshot of this one and later you can revise them from here. Now, Let us do one or two more examples of these ones. So if we have C4, what will be the formula for that one? C4, 4 to the 8 plus 2, 10, H10. What would be the name of this one? Do write in my comment box. The structure you can draw in your copy and take a picture and post it and write in my comment box. For this one, what would be the formula? C4H8. Now here you can have different structures. For C4, 1, 2, 3, 4, the double bond could be here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1 double bond, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, it could be like this, or it could be, let me draw it with another pen, then it will be easy for you to understand. Or it could be C, single bond C, double bond C, single bond C. The double bond could be shifted here also. So here also, these two have different names, and about their structures we will talk in our next video. Now the naming could be, for this one it will be butane, of course, butene, sorry, it will be butene, but where will be the position? It will be in 1 or it will be in 2, the double bond. We will talk about that when we will talk about IUPAC nomenclature. It is butene, but but1ene or but2ene, we will discuss them in other videos, next videos. Got my point? So, and instead of here, you could say the double bond could be on here also. But if you are putting the double bond here, then see what happens. It is same as this one, writing from this side or writing from this side. It is the same compound. So, no, these two are the same compounds. Either you can write from this side or you can write from this side. First two carbons, and from, if you are starting here, the first two carbons are born. So no, these two are the same. So for writing two different butene structures, we have to give the double bond here, and the hydrogen would come here. That is CH3, CH, CH, CH3, or CH2, CH, CH2, CH3, like so. Okay, there are, for alkyne also you can do the similar thing for alkyne. For C5, try with alkyne and do tell me what would be the structure, what could be the structures, what could be the naming. We will do, just remember it will start with pent for 5, it will start and end with ine, but the triple bond, position of the triple bond, where it will be, and accordingly the naming we will discuss in later stages. So this is for now. Just remember alkane, alkene and alkyne, ane, ene, ine. These are saturated and these are unsaturated hydrocarbons. Thank you for today. Bye students.